going to be showing you how to set up cellular data on your new iPhone 17.
First thing you want to do is you just go into settings like I am here, and once you're in settings, you just want to scroll down and click on the option called Cellular. You can see it's right here, it's near the top. I'm just going to let the camera focus, and once you actually just click on Cellular, all you want to do is you actually just want to scroll down and click on the option called Personal Hotspot. You want to turn this on if it's not, and if it's not, what you want to do is you can actually just go over to the option, scroll down, click on Add eSIM, where from here you can actually add your eSIM from whatever your provider is. Now it might be Verizon, AT&T, and you basically just want to log this in by selecting your provider, or click on other options if you actually want to transfer it from a nearby phone, or use the QR code from another nearby phone. In this case I'm using Verizon, so I'll click on continue, and you're just going to bring you to this page like so, where from here you can simply actually type in your wireless number, whatever your phone number is, and your billing zip code, and click on continue, and it will actually be added from your old phone, or whatever it is, from your plan, into this phone right here. And that's how you set up the eSIM or cellular on your iPhone.